Hello everyone. Duduzile, the daughter of the former President Jacob Zuma, has reacted on the news of Bester and his girlfriend Dr. Nandi being arrested in Tanzania. The couple was arrested in Arusha when they were about to cross the border of Kenya. Fortunately, the Tanzanian police were able to stop them and found the suspects with multiple documents of their identities. Duduzile has taken the news to her Twitter account and wrote, "There is something just not adding up with this Bester and Nandi story. My gut feeling says there's something bigger here. Even their capture seems like another bad script." Some people agreed with her while others disagreed with her. Someone commented on the tweet and said it's like script of Duduzile Zuma being a president or Jacob Zuma being Sanko KZN chairperson. Another one said, "Exactly how I feel. I mean, it's clear these guys are willing to go as far as finding someone identical to Bester." Another one said, "Vele is not adding up, Dudu. This might be bigger than what we know. Only Bester and Nandi plus God that know the whole thing." Another tweet said, "If they broke Tanzania law of having passports and stuff, why will they hand them over? Because they must be arrested that side, charged, then extradition process start for SA, sent to South Africa for more charging." Another one said, "Bester is arrested, don't stress." It's alleged that Bheki Cele is involved. What's your take on this one? Do you agree or disagree with Duduzile Zuma here? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.